Hey there, my name is Derek Henry, and if you like Excel comments as much as I do for adding documentation or just leaving little notes and everything, then I've got something that I think you're going to love. Now, I know that they're now called notes, not comments, but to me, they'll always be comments, and honestly, I didn't want to rename everything known to man, so these are the new notes in Excel, but they are the legacy comments. So let's jump in and take a look here. What we're looking at is a pick list based menu that gives you several different options for working with comments that make it easier to leverage them in a shortcut like way. So we can insert or edit. That's my default here with I, so it jumps into the edit mode of the comment, or we can run it again with option T and toggle it on and off very quickly. If we wanted to resize or reposition, we could also do that, or even copy and paste from or to. So if you have a bunch of text in your clipboard, maybe that's like a formula that you're going to override with values. I often like to put that in a cell comment so we can easily replace it. Now, the best one that I think adds the most value is when you're using a process, a review process, and you want to aggregate all those comments in one place with links. Okay, so what we're going to do on this is, actually, let's use a different one. Let's use this cell right here. We're going to press F to add to the file comments sheet. Now, the very first time you run that, okay, it's going to create this sheet down here, file comments. Okay. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to say, here's the sheet we were on, here's a cell, here's a link to that cell, and you can add a little comment here, like, what is this? Right? Or whatever you're going to type. Now, if you're on a particular line here, let's say it's this one right here, and you run it again, it's going to ask you, do you want to copy that to that sheet, to that cell? And if you say yes, it's going to add it, so now you have it in both places. Having all of these in one central place reduces the risk that people miss them. You can say, who are they assigned to, what is the response for each thing, and you can collaborate on these. And I found that to be a huge help instead of poking around and looking for where all the comments were. Macros like this save me over 200 hours a year all across using Excel, whether it's comments or formats or automating things in bulk, and I know it can for you too. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you do, give us a thumbs up, add a comment, repost, and share with a friend if you want to. Of course, try this out for yourself today using the QR code down here at the bottom. Thanks for watching. Have an excellent rest of your day.